Okay, this is video 2 on producing an elliptical pipe development. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and just pick up. Now what I need to do is I need to extend some lines perpendicular in this direction. So LPER, alright. Having a little bit of trouble with this. L, enter, PER. I want it perpendicular to these lines, okay, and they can be at any length right now. I'm going to move that to the end, and then I will copy the lines make sure you're snapping on the right place, and you can use the same line up here just for being thorough. Now I do want you to notice that the angle between this line and this line is the same as the distance, the angle between this line and this line. That's just a geometric principle. Okay, so when we get a little further into this, I'm going to make our development a little bit easier. Okay, I'm only going to do one side of this and then transfer the development to this end. Okay, because the development should be the same. Okay, so before, when we did our layout length, it was the circumference of the circle. Well, we don't have a circle, but we do have this ellipse, and if we type in list after we select the ellipse and look on this panel here, you can see the circumference is 2.7013. Okay, so what I'll do is I will offset by 2.7013. Alright, and I forgot to do this. Let me go ahead and use match properties to match these colors. Let me bring this to the front, draw order, bring to front. Okay, match properties. Do the same over here. Okay. Now what I like to do is I'll just draw a line from this endpoint to this endpoint, okay, and then use the divide command, and I will divide that into 12 segments, okay, and the distance between points on this, okay, should equal the distance between the points on the ellipse. Alright, now I'll erase that temporary line I drew, and then I will copy this line to the other nodes, these points. Alright, and then I will use a spline, and I will, you can figure this out from what we've done before. I will just quickly go and lay the spline out. Alright, get to the end, hit return 3 times. Okay, go back and take a look. You make sure you snapped on the right places. And it looks like I did. And I will just copy this spline to the other end of the development, okay, because they will be the same, and then I will copy out the part of the development that I want, which is the outline. Okay, trim. Okay, and that's what the layout of the elliptical pipe looks like. Okay, and here's our development. And again, we basically perform the same steps that we used for circular pipe. It's just a little bit of a twist, and Hopefully this helped you develop it. And that concludes this video.